All right, so friends, I have a couple things I want to do at this circle time, because I'm hoping at the second circle time after snack, maybe we can do some singing and dancing. It's been a while since we've done our singing and dancing, right? So looking at our calendar, we have, let's do our song. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. I probably had the melody wrong a little bit, but you guys know the words really well, even without singing it. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. So then today we have to move this, right? Because this was yesterday. So we move this to today. What is the day?
Wednesday.
It's Wednesday. Yep, Wednesday comes after Tuesday. And friends at home, I know it's hard to see the computer. I needed you to kind of see all this area today. So sorry about that. I know it's hard for you to see the calendar today. What number comes after 5?
6.
6. Yep, you add 1, right? So if we have 5 and we want to do the next day, we're adding 1 and we have 6. Okay? So this is today. We are going to be working on our calendar pieces tomorrow. And so we'll start filling in our new pattern starting tomorrow. All right? Normal week of school, we have Elijah's birthday on Friday. Remember I was telling you guys about that yesterday? My friend Elijah at home, he's a virtual learner. He sent me a video the other day letting me know it's his birthday on Friday. And I was like, well, that's fun. Let's add him to the calendar. Okay? Next week, we've got Valeria's birthday. And we've got Miss Allison coming, or Zooming with us. And then we've got some normal days again.
And more birthdays.
And then some more birthdays later on in the month. Yep. Yep. So, exciting time, right? Okay, so if you notice over here on our chart, I've had them there for the last day or so. There's some mittens up on the chart. Can you see that? Okay, so friends at home, I'm going to see if I can get you guys so that you can see our chart a little bit better. Now that we're done with our calendar, let's move you over to the chart so you can see. Okay, so over here we've got a chart and it's got some mittens on it. And then each mitten has a number, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It also has lines that are different on each mitten. The number 1 mitten has 1 line. The number 2 mitten has 2 lines. The number 3 mitten has 3 lines. The number 4 mitten has 4 lines. And the number 5 mitten has 5 lines. Do you see that?
There's also dots.
There's also dots. So the number 1 mitten has 1 dot. The number 2 mitten has 2 dots. The number 3 mitten has 3 dots. The number 4 mitten has 4 dots. And the number 5 mitten has 5 dots, okay? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to get a chance to play a couple times because there's more than 5 in here. So I'm going to pass out these cards. And I'm going to call you to come and find the match to make it a pair. Do you remember, my friends here in school, we made pairs of mittens over with Miss Nikki in my center?
Yeah.
So we're going to help finish the pairs because the kids are missing their mittens, right? None of these are a pair, and we need a pair, okay? So I'm going to hand out some mittens. Here goes Sydney. Hold on to this till I call you, okay? And when I call your name, I'm going to have you go see if you can find the matching mitten. That's really hard to say. There we go, okay? So let's, don't share yet, don't share yet. Okay, so Etta, stand up. show us what you have. Show us what you've got. Show your friends. What number is it?
4.
Oh, I'm asking Etta this time. Okay, 4. Can you find the match for the 4? Good job. That little friend will be happy because they have both their mittens, right? All right, Sydney, stand up. What number do you have on your mitten? What number is that?
I don't know.
That is number 2. Can you go find the match to our 2? Good job. Stick it in there. Okay, Valeria, what number do you have?
5.
5. All right. Can you find the match to number 5?
Yeah.
Good job. All right. Brooklyn, what do you got? Number 1. Can you find the match to number 1? Good job. And Mason, what do you got? 3. Can you find our match? Nice job. Does everybody have the match?
Yeah.
Is it right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I'm going to take out the pairs again. This one I'm going to take out this side. Okay? And I'm going to pass it out to 5 new friends. And then we're going to see if they can find the match. Okay? I'm going to mix them up. You know how I like to mix. Okay. So Karen's going to get one. Max is going to get one. Brantley, Castor, and Tristan. Okay? All right. Brantley, I'm going to have you come on up first. See if you can find, which one do you have?
4.
Ooh, 4. Can you find the match for number 4? Nice job. All right. Karen, stand up. What number do you have?
2.
2. Can you find the match for 2? We'll put on this side. There you go. And there's one for each one, right? Good job. That little friend found both their mittens. Good work. Tristan, come on up. What number do you have?
1.
He has number 1. Can you find the match for number 1? Good job. Good work. Max, come on up. Good job. And Castor, come on up. What number do you have?
5.
5. Can you find the match? Stick it in there. Brooklyn. Good job. Did we find all the matches?
Yes.
We did. All right, I'm going to take it up. Let's take them out on the other side this time. Mix it up. We have 2 friends left that haven't had a chance to play, right? Okay, so there you go. And there you go. Okay, Jameson, stand up. What number do you have?
3.
3. Can you find the match to number 3? Good job. All right, Hunter, stand up. What number do you have?
4.
2. Can you find the match to number 2? Good job. Okay. What number is this?
5.
5. All right. Is this the match?
No.
Is this the match?
No.
Is this the match?
Yes.
Good. All right. What number? Hunter, no, thank you. What number is this?
1.
Is this the match?
No.
Is this the match?
Yes.
What number is this?
4.
4. And I know that it has to be here, right?
Yeah.
Because it's the only spot that's left. But I still want to check to make sure it matches. Because if I made a mistake somewhere else, I wouldn't know that, right? So I still want to check to make sure that it's the same number and it's the same stripes and it's the same dots. Okay? Oh, good. Our friends are so happy that they all have their pairs of mittens. How many pairs of mittens do we have?
10.
We have 5 pairs because a pair is Two. A pair is two. Right? If I just have one mitten, is that a pair of mittens?
No.
No, I have to have two to have a pair.
Yay.
Okay? So this is a pair, this is a pair, this is a pair, this is a pair, and that's a pair. Right? Here's my next question. How many mittens do I have?
10.
I have 10 mittens. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Nice job. We have 10 mittens, but we have 5 pairs. How many kids can wear these mittens? 5 kids. If we have 6 kids, are there enough mittens?
No.
Because we only have 5 pairs.
Yeah, because that's why there's a 5 at the bottom.
We only have 5 pairs of mittens. Only 5 kids can wear them. Everybody else has got to bring their own, I guess, right?
Yeah, but if you add
Okay.
2 more, it would make 10.
You're right. All right. Friends at home, I'm going to move you back so that you can see our Miss Nikki's chair. Again, I have a story for us today. Would you like to choose our story today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I'll grab 2. Let's do, I have a snowman for Little Bear, or I have the first day of winter. Okay? So, here's what I need you to do. I only want you to raise your hand for one story. You can only pick one. Put them down. I haven't had you raise your hand yet. Put your hands down. I haven't had you pick a story yet. If you raise your hand for this one, you can't raise your hand for this one. You can only choose one story. Okay? Raise your hand if you want this story. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Raise your hand if you want this story. Okay, this one wins 8, 3. So we're going to do the first day of winter by Denise Fleming. What kind of bird is that? Does anybody know?
No. Robin.
Not a robin. That's a cardinal.
Wow.
Yep, that's a cardinal.
I like cardinals.
You know it's a cardinal because it kind of has that little tip on the top. Do you see that one? The little tip on the top of his head. And he's red.
It looks like he just took a shower.
Oh, yeah.
And it looks like he just took a shower bath. It is.
On the first day of winter, my best friend gave to me a red cap with a gold snap. No thanks, Hunter. It's not a funny story. On the second day of winter, my best friend gave to me 2 bright blue mittens and a red cap with a gold snap. So we're going to be remembering all the things that they got. Have you ever heard the story or the song, "On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me partridge in a pear tree," and then you keep singing, and then you go back and you have to remember all the things they gave you. That's kind of what this book. That's kind of what this book is like. So we have to remember all the different things we got every day. So we got a red cap with the gold snap, and we got 2 blue mittens.
Wait, mittens? There's mittens right there. Yeah.
On the third day of winter, my best friend gave to me 3 striped scarves, 2 blue mittens, and a red cap with a gold snap. On the fourth day of Christmas, my best friend gave to me 4 prickly pine cones, 3 striped scarves, 2 bright blue mittens, and a red cap with a gold snap. Good job. On the 5th day of winter, my best friend gave to me 5 birdseed pockets. So there's little pockets in the snowman with bird seed in it, so the birds have a place to eat. That's kind of fun. 5 bird seed pockets, 4 prickly pine cones, 3 striped scarves, good job, 2 blue mittens, and a red cap with a gold snap. Good job remembering. On the 6th day of winter, my best friend gave to me 6 tiny twigs, 5 birdseed pockets, 4 prickly pine cones, 3 striped scarves, 2 blue mittens, and a red cap with a gold snap. Good job. On the 7th day of winter, my best friend gave to me 7 maple leaves, 6 tiny twigs. We need our twigs first. 5 birdseed pockets, 4 prickly pine cones, 3 striped, 2 blue mittens, and a red cap with a gold snap. Good job. Boys in the back, are you helping us? Are you helping us? I need you to help us with our story, please. On the 8th day of winter, my best friend gave to me 8 orange berries. What did they use the berries for? The smile, yep. 7 maple leaves, 6 tiny twigs, 5 pockets of birdseed, 4 prickly, 3 striped, 2 blue mittens, and a red cap with a gold snap. Oh, the snowman's getting decorated. Look at here. On the 9th day of winter, my best friend gave to me 9 black buttons, 8 orange berries, 7 maple leaves, yep, 6 tiny twigs, 5 birdseed pockets, 4 prickly, 3 striped, 2 blue mittens, and a red cap with a gold snap. On the 10th day of winter, my best friend gave to me 10 salty peanuts. No idea what the peanuts are for. Maybe. Oh, you're right. It is. It's for the feet. He was putting peanuts down for the feet. Good job, Mason. 10 salty peanuts, 9 big black buttons, 8 orange berries, 7 maple leaves, 6 tiny tiny twigs, 5 birdseed pockets, 4 prickly, 3 striped, 2 blue mittens, yep, and a red cap with a gold snap. Nice job remembering. Here, this must be the end of it, yeah. So it only went up to 10, didn't go up to 12. That's good, because here's the full picture of the snowman when it's all finished. Do you see that?
It looks like a comic book when you open it like that.
That's the long way.
A wheel.
Kind of reminds me of your name snowman that you guys made for the door. And you got to decorate it with all the stuff. Right? Did you see Miss Jean's been adding your name snowmen to the door? Friends at home, I want to see yours. I want to see it when it's all finished, your name snowman, okay? Yeah, this one's pretty cool. It's got all the stuff. Very fun, very fun. Okay. We are going to get ready for snack here in just a few minutes. My friends at home, when we come back, we are going to, let me see, I'm trying to think. I think we're going to learn a new phonics dance. What letter are we going to learn?
S.
No, phonics dance. Our phonics dance.
B. A.
We've done A.
F. B.
B. We're going in alphabet order, remember? So we learned A. We're going to go right down to the next one. We're going to learn B. And then I think we'll do some singing and dancing. It's been a while since we've done some of our songs. We'll do some of that, okay? All right, sounds good. We'll see you in a little bit, my friends.